Hey, quick update. I'm still searching for a temporary space, but I think I found one. I want you to get on my email list right here, drralphknapp.com. You will be the first to be notified when I have a space. I might have one. So in a couple of days, I might be announcing something. Also, I'm going to give you a little bribe to get on that list. I give you like a proper posture checklist, 1 page. You can hang it on your wall, share it with your friends, share it with your family, of course. And stick with me. Thank you for your patience. I'm sorry about any inconvenience that this might have caused you and your family, your friends, but good things coming in the future. Got something really nice in the works for you. I can't reveal anything yet, but it's going to be really good. So I will see you soon. Get on the email list. Let's do this.